Hello everyone, good evening. So in this third part of the video on vector algebra, we shall solve KCET previous year questions from question number 31. The previous two parts we had solved till question number 30. So any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comment section. In any other chapter, if you feel more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter in the comment. Then we shall give more priority on it and solve more questions on that. And also some important homework questions will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education. It has been provided in the so this question number 31, it is told the sum of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. It means that a plus b that is equal to minus c vector. So if you take the dot product a plus b with a plus b, that is equal to minus c vector dot c vector. So this will be a dot a plus b dot b plus 2a dot b is equal to c dot c. This mod a whole square plus mod b whole square plus 2a dot b equal to mod c square. So magnitude of a is 3, magnitude of b is 5, magnitude 7. So therefore 3 square 9 plus 25 plus 2a dot b is equal to 3 square, that is 49. Therefore 2a dot b that is equal to 49 minus 25 plus 9, that is 34. That is 15. So a dot b is equal to 15 by 2. Now a dot b I can say that is magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos theta, where theta is the angle between a and b. Is equal to 15 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 15 by 2 into magnitude of a, that is 3, magnitude of b, that is 5. 3 5 is 50. Cos theta is half. Therefore the angle theta is 60 degree. Cos 60 is half. So 60 degree means it is pi by 3 radian. Option C is the correct answer. And in question number 32, it is told if a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 5, each one of a, b and c is perpendicular to the sum of the remaining. It means a dot b plus c, a dot b plus c is equal to 0, and b dot c plus c is also equal to 0, and so c dot a plus b is also equal to 0. Since here it is told that each one of a, b and c is perpendicular to the sum of the remaining, then the magnitude of a plus b plus c is how much? So mod of a plus b plus c whole square, if you do, that will be a plus b plus c dot with itself plus b plus c. So this will be equal to from here we can see that a dot b plus a dot c, that is 0, b dot c plus b dot a, that is 0, c dot a plus c dot b, that is also 0. So if we add them, then we will get 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus b dot a is equal to 0. This thing is mod a square Since a dot a is mod a square, plus this is mod b square, plus mod c square, plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c, b dot a. So this is equal to, so this thing is 0, and this is equal to 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. This will be equal to 9 plus 16 plus 25, which is equal to 15 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 25 is 50. Therefore, mod of a plus b plus c is the square root of 50, that is 5 root 2. Option C is the correct answer. You have to find the value of x if x into I plus j plus k is a unit vector. This is unit vector, so it means therefore if this is vector a, then the magnitude of a should be equal to 1. It means that root over x square plus x square plus x square, that is equal to 1. So it means that root over 3x square, that is equal to 1. So x root 3, that is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by root 3, equal to plus or minus 1. A is the correct answer. Cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma are the direction cosines of a vector A. Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equal to 1. So we know that if cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma are the direction cosines of the vector A, then we have cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So now cos 2 alpha, that can be written as 2 cos square alpha plus 1, because this is also 2 cos square beta, because this is also 2 cos square gamma minus 1. This can be written as 2 into cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So this is minus. Now this is equal to 1. So this is 2 into 1 is minus 1. So option C is the correct answer. Then question number 35, it is told if A vector and B vector are orthogonal, then the value of lambda is how much? Means if they are orthogonal, then we can say that A dot B, that is equal to 0. Since A vector is perpendicular to vector B, that 2 I cap plus lambda j cap plus k cap dot I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, that will be equal to, that should be equal to 0. Means that 2 plus 2 lambda plus 3, that is equal to 0. Therefore 2 lambda plus 5 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to minus 5 by 2. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told if A and B are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then this is equal to how much? 3a vector plus 2b vector dot 5a vector minus 6b vector is equal to 3 5 is 15, 15 into a dot a minus 18 into a dot b plus 10 into a dot b minus 12 into b dot b equal to, they are mutually perpendicular unit vector. So magnitude of A, that is equal to magnitude of B, that is equal to 1. They are mutually perpendicular dot B, that is equal to 0. This will be 15 into magnitude of A minus 18 10, that is minus 8 plus 8 a dot b mod b square. This will be 15 minus 0 plus 12. 15 minus 12, that is 3. Is option B is the correct answer. If the vectors are coplanar, then the value of ABC minus A plus B plus C, that is, if these vectors are coplanar. So the rule is that if vector A, B and C are coplanar, means if they lie in the same plane, then their scalar triple product is zero. Means their box product, their box product ABC, that should be equal to, where the box product is given as, the box product of ABC means it is the scalar triple product, means it is A dot B cross C. Now therefore here also vector A is AI cap plus J cap plus K cap. B vector, that is equal to I cap plus BJ cap K cap. C vector is I cap plus J cap plus C K cap. So A dot B cross C will be equal to the determinant of, that will be equal to the determinant of, we have to take the components of x component, y component and j component of vector A, and vector B and vector C. So the x components of vector, so the components of vector A are A 1 1, or B it is 1 B 1, or C it is 1 1 C. That should be equal to 0. So if we expand this determinant along the first row, we get A into BC 1, then minus 1 into minus 1 into, then that is C minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus B, that should be equal to 0. So therefore I can say ABC minus A minus C plus 1 plus 1 minus B, that is equal to 0. ABC minus of A plus B plus C, that is equal to minus 2. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told vector A and B are orthogonal and magnitude of A, that is equal to magnitude of lambda, and then the values of lambda and mu are A dot B, that should be equal to 0 since they are orthogonal. A vector is perpendicular to magnitude of A, that is equal to the magnitude. Therefore I can say A dot B I cap plus lambda j cap plus 2k cap dot mu I cap plus j cap minus k cap should be equal to 0. It means they are orthogonal So this will be mu plus lambda minus 2, that should be equal to 2. So mu plus lambda, that is equal to 2. And their magnitudes are also same, so therefore their magnitude of A, that is 1 plus lambda square plus 4, that is equal to the square root of mu square plus 1 plus 1. So therefore if we remove the square root, then we will have lambda square plus 5, that is equal to mu square plus. From here we can see that mu square minus lambda square, that is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. It means that mu plus lambda into mu is equal to 3. So mu plus lambda is 2, therefore mu minus lambda will be 3 by 2. So now if we add them, then the lambda will get cancelled. Therefore, and then if we add these two, then mu and mu will be added up, and then we will get 2 mu. 2 mu is 2 plus 3 by 2. So that is 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 2. 2 mu is 7 by 2. Mu is equal to 7 by 4. Mu is equal to 7 by 4. So therefore lambda will be equal to 2 minus 7 by 4. That is 1 by 4. The value of lambda and mu are 1 by 4 and 7 by 4. Option A is the correct answer. Then magnitude of A, that is 16, magnitude of B, that is 4, then mod of magnitude of A cross B whole square and magnitude of A dot B whole square will be equal to how much? Magnitude of A cross B whole square, that is equal to mod A into mod B whole square into sine square theta, and this will be mod A square into mod B square into cos square theta. Therefore when we add these two, cos A cross B mod square plus mod of A dot B whole square is also equal to square root of mod of A square B square into sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This will be square root of mod A square. So this is equal to mod A into mod B. That is equal to mod A into mod B. So that is 16 into 4 is 64. Option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 40, it is told if the angle in between A and B is 2 pi by 3 and the projection of A, the direction of B is minus 2, then magnitude of A is how much? That means that the angle in between A and B, theta is 2 pi by 3. The projection of A in the direction of B is A cos theta. Its magnitude of A into cos theta, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, magnitude of a into cos 2 pi by 3 equal to minus 2. Mod a into cos 2 pi by 3 is cos pi minus pi by 3 is minus cos pi by 3, that is equal to minus 2. So the minus signs will get cancelled. So magnitude of a, that is equal to 4. So a is the correct answer. Yeah. Unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vectors I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and minus 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vectors a and b. The rule is that a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of the vectors a and b is given as a cross b divided by the magnitude of. So now here a vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. B vector is minus 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Now a vector cross b vector, that will be the determinant of ijk, the determinant of ijk, and the components of a vector are 1, 2, 1. Components of b vector are minus 2, 1, 3. This will be equal to I cap into 6 minus 1 minus j cap into 3 plus 2 plus k cap into 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 5 k cap. So this is 5 into I cap minus j cap plus k cap. We can take plus or minus of this. This is a cross b. Therefore, we can take minus of a cross b also. 5 into minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. And then the magnitude of a cross b is equal to square root of 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square. That is 25 plus 25 plus 25 into 3 root over 5 into 3. Therefore, required unit vector is 5 into minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap divided by 5 root. So that is 5 and 5 will cancel. That is minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap by root 3. So option D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Then question number 42 is told to find the box product of a plus 2b minus c minus b, a minus b minus c. A plus 2b minus c, its dot product with dot a minus b cross a minus b minus c. So it will be a plus 2b minus c b a cross a minus a cross b minus a cross c minus b cross a plus b cross b plus b cross c. This will be a cross a will be 0, a cross b and b cross a is plus, but this 2 will cancel. B cross b also is 0, also 0. This a plus 2b minus c vector dot b cross c minus a cross c. So this will be equal to a dot b cross c minus a dot a cross c minus 2b dot b cross c minus 2b plus 2b dot b cross c minus 2b dot a cross c, then minus c dot b cross c plus c dot a cross c. This will be a dot b cross c. This is 0. This is also 0. Also 0. Minus 2b dot a cross c. This plus 2b dot c cross a. So this is also a dot b cross c. This is 3 into a dot b cross c. So this is equal to 3 times the box product of ABC. So option D is the correct answer. In question number 43, it is told A and B are unit vectors. It means magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B, that is equal to 1. Theta is the angle in between A and B. Sin theta is how much? Theta is the angle in between A and B. Theta by 2 is how much? So magnitude of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a plus b dot a plus b, that is equal to mod a square plus mod b square plus 2a dot b. Therefore, magnitude of mod of a plus b whole square, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2a dot b. Therefore, a dot b that is equal to mod of a plus b whole square minus 2 by 2. Means that mod of a to mod of b cos theta is equal to mod of a plus b whole square by 2. So this is equal to 1. So cos theta, that is coming, that is equal to mod of a plus b whole square by 2 minus 1. Now cos theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. That is equal to mod of plus b whole square by 2, 1. So therefore, 2 sine square theta by 2 sine square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus of mod of a plus b whole square by 2. Actually, this mod of a plus b whole square, that is coming 2 plus 2 cos theta plus cos theta. So a mod of a plus b whole square by 2, that is coming 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So this is, I can take a minus b actually. If I do mod of a minus b whole square, that will be equal to a minus b dot a minus b. That will be equal to mod of a square plus mod of b square minus 2a dot b. Therefore, mod of minus b whole square is equal to 2 minus 2a dot b. Now a dot b is cos theta. So a vector dot b vector is equal to mod a into mod b into cos theta. So therefore, a dot b is 1, since a and b are unit vectors. So mod a equal to mod b, that is equal to 1. This is cos theta. Therefore, this mod of a minus b whole square, that is equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta. So mod of a minus b whole square by 2, that is equal to 1 minus cos, and 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. Therefore, sine square theta by 2, that is equal to mod of a minus b whole square by 4. Therefore, sine theta by 2 is equal to mod of a minus b. Option B is the correct answer. Then here the two vectors I cap plus j cap plus k cap and I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap represents two sides AP and AC of the triangle ABC. This AB vector is this, and this is the AC vector. This vector is this. Okay. The length of the median through A, length of the median That is how much. So from here we can find this centroid also. So suppose we take the point A as the origin, then the AB vector is this, so I can write the coordinates of point B, that is 1, 3, 5. The coordinates of point C will be 1, 1. Then we can find the coordinates of the centroid. We can find the midpoint also, midpoint M of BC. That is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, that is 2. 1 plus 5, 6 by 2, that is 3. So therefore, the vector AM, the median through the point A, that will be I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Therefore, the length of the median, so that will be root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So that is 1 plus 4 plus 9. 5 plus 4, that is root 14. Option C is the correct answer. Here it is told if mod of A cross B whole square plus mod of A dot B whole square, that is equal to 144. Mod of A, that is equal to mod of B is equal to 1. So here mod of A cross B whole square, that is mod A square to mod B square into square theta, and plus A dot B whole square is mod A square into mod B square into cos square theta, that is equal to 144. So therefore, mod, we can write it as mod A square into mod B square, that is equal to 140. And sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And so mod A is 6, so 6 square into mod B square, that is 144. Therefore, mod B square, that is equal to 144 by 36. So that is 6. 6 is 36, 6 is 12, 24, 6 4 is 20. Therefore, mod B square is 4. Therefore, mod B is 2. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 46 is told that the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is how much? Equal to how much? So in the quadrilateral ABCD, the area is half of AC cross BD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half of mod of AC cross BD. So now, therefore, the coordinates of point A is 0, 4, 1, B is 2, 3, -1, C is 4, 5, 0, and B is 2, 6, 2. Now AC vector is 4 I cap plus 5 minus 4, that is J cap minus K cap. BD vector is 3 J cap plus 3 K cap. Now therefore AC cross BD, that will be equal to the determinant of IJK (4, 1, -1) each way. So that is I cap into 3 plus 3 minus J cap into, what is a 12 plus K cap into, what is a 12. This 6 I cap minus 12 J cap plus 12 K cap. Therefore the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, that will be equal to half of mod of AC cross BD, that will be equal to half of the magnitude of 6 I cap minus 12 J cap plus 12 K cap. So that will be half of square root of 6 square plus 12 square plus 12 square. So that is half of 6 I can take as common outside. Square root of 1 square plus square plus square. So that is equal to 2, 3 is 6. So 3 into square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 into 3. So it is 9 square units. 9 square units. So option A is the correct answer. And in question number 47, it is told a vector A makes equal acute angles on the coordinate axis. Then the projection of vector B on A, projection of vector B on the vector A, that is given as B vector dot A cap, that is equal to B vector dot A vector by magnitude of A vector. Now vector A makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. It means that A vector I can take I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Therefore magnitude of A vector is square root of 1 square plus 1 square, and B dot A vector, B dot A equal to 5 minus 7 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 8, that is 3. We can take the magnitude of this, mod of this, that is, so magnitude of b dot a by mod a is equal to 3 by 2. Here I think it should be plus. So here it means that none of the options are correct. None of the options are correct. Then in question number 48, it is told the diagonals of a parallelogram, the vectors this and this, then the length of the shorter side of the parallelogram is 1. So in a parallelogram, this is the diagonal d1, this is the longer one, this is the diagonal d2, suppose the vector d1. So the shorter side is suppose vector b, longer side is suppose vector a. Then d2 vector, which is the shorter diagonal, that is nothing but a vector minus b vector, and b1 vector, which is the longer diagonal, is a vector plus b vector. Now here the magnitude of the first diagonal, that is 3 square plus 6 square plus 2 square, that is 9 plus 13 plus 36, that is 49, is 7 units. For the second one, it is 1 square plus 2 square plus 8 square. Magnitude is 1 plus 4 plus 64, that is 69 square to 69. That is more than 7. Therefore, the diagonal d1 is the second one. It is minus I cap minus 2j cap, and d1 d2 vector is the shorter one, is 3 I cap plus 6j cap. So now therefore the shorter side, that is b, that is equal to, from here, from b we can find like this, d1 minus d2 by 2. This is d1 vector minus d2 vector by 2 is equal to minus 4 I cap minus 8j cap minus 6k cap by 2. So this is minus 2 I cap, this is minus 2 into I cap plus 2j cap plus 3 by 2 k cap. So this is minus 2 I, sorry, this is minus of 2 I cap plus 4j cap plus 3 cap. So this is vector b. So therefore we need to find the length. The length means we have to find the magnitude of b, that is 2 square square root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. This is equal to square root of 4 plus 16 plus 9, that is root over 29 units. Root over 29, so none of the options are correct. the options are correct. Here, if you want, we can find the larger side also, which is, that will be the larger side, that is vector A, that will be equal to d1 plus d2 by 2. So if we find d1 plus d2 by 2, d1 plus d2 by 2, that is vector A, will be equal to, so this is 2 I cap and 2 plus 4j cap plus 8, so that is minus 10k cap by 2. So this is I cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap. Therefore, magnitude of A, that is the length of the longer side, that will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square. So that is 1 plus 4 plus 25, that is 30. So it means that none of the options are correct. And here in the question number 49 is mod of, sorry, A dot B is equal to 0, and A plus B vector makes an angle 60 degree with A. So A plus B vector dot A vector, that is equal to mod of A plus B into mod of A into cos 60. A dot B is 0. Now mod of A plus B whole square, that is equal to A plus B dot A plus B is equal to mod A square plus mod B square plus 2A dot B. This is, so this is mod A square plus mod B square. Therefore, A plus B dot equal to mod A square A dot A, then A square. Therefore, mod A square, that is equal to mod A into square root of mod A square plus mod B square into cos 60, that is half. So then mod A will cancel. So then you can write 2 mod A, that is equal to square root of mod A square plus mod B square. Now if you square on both sides, then you will get 4 mod A square is equal to mod A square plus mod B square. Therefore, I can write 3 mod A square is equal to mod B square. Now if you take square root on both sides, then you will have that root 3 mod A, that is equal to mod. Option D is the correct answer. In question number 50, it is told that if the area of the parallelogram with A and B as its two adjacent sides is 15 square units, then the area of the parallelogram having 3A plus 2B and A plus 3B as two adjacent sides is equal to. If the area of the parallelogram that will be equal to mod of A cross B, that is equal to 15, and the area of the parallelogram having these two as the two adjacent sides, that is equal to. Therefore, the new area mod of 3A plus 2B cross A plus 3B. This will be mod of A cross A cross A plus 9 A cross B plus 2B cross A plus 6B cross B. Then 3A cross A, that is 0, plus 9A cross B minus 2A cross B, that is plus 7A cross B. 6 into B cross B, that is 0. It's 7 into mod of A cross B, 7 times. It's 7 into 15, that is 15 7 is 105. Option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 51, it is told if mod A, that is 2, mod B, that is equal to 3, angle in between A and B is 120 degrees. And the length of the vector, this is much. Half A minus 1 by 3 B mod square, that is equal to half A minus 1 by 3 B dot 1 by 2 A minus 3 B, that is equal to 1 by 4 A dot A, that is mod A square, then plus this is 1 by 9 mod B square, then minus it is 2 into half A dot 1 by 3 B. Then 2 will cancel. Angle between A and B is 120. So A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos 120 degrees. So cos 120 is minus half. So this is 2 into 3 into minus half. 2 and 2 will cancel, that is minus 3. Now this is 1 by 4 into this will be 2 square, 1 by 9 into this is 3 square, minus this is 1 by 3 into A dot B, is minus 3 and 3 will cancel, 9 and 9 will cancel, 4 and 4, 1 plus 1. Option C is the question number 52. So that if mod A plus A cross B plus mod of so here the question is wrong, it should be square here. The square plus A dot B whole square, that is equal to 36. Then magnitude of A is 3 and then magnitude of B is how much? So this mod A square into mod B square into sine square theta will come here, and here cos square theta will come. So this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta. So theta is the angle in between A and B. It is equal to 36. Therefore, it will be 3 square into mod B square, that is equal to 36. So mod B square is 4 9s are 36, so 9 4s. So this is 4. So mod B is equal to 2. Option D is the correct answer. But here the question was slightly wrong. Here it should be square here. Then question number 53 is the last question. So here it is told if alpha vector, that is equal to I cap minus 3j cap, and beta vector, that is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, then express beta vector in the form of beta 1 vector plus beta 2 vector, where beta 1 vector is parallel to alpha vector. Beta 2 vector is perpendicular to alpha vector. Then B1 vector is given by, then uh, beta 1 vector is given by how much? What is the beta 1 vector? Now beta 1 vector is parallel to alpha vector. So therefore beta 1 vector, I can say it is something, some constant k times alpha. This would be k into cap minus 3j cap. And so beta 2 vector, I can say that is beta vector minus beta 1 vector. So that will be equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Let it be, suppose it is m into alpha. So minus of I cap minus 3m j cap. Beta minus beta 1. Okay. So this will be 1 minus m I cap plus 2 plus 3m j cap plus 3m minus 1 k cap. Sorry. Minus k. This is beta 2 vector, and it is told that beta 2 vector is perpendicular to alpha. That means that beta 2 vector dot alpha vector, that is equal to 0. Now therefore beta 2 vector dot alpha vector, that should be equal to 0. It means beta 2 vector, which is 1 minus m cap plus this is 2 plus 3m, 2 plus 3m j cap, 2 plus 3m j cap minus k cap dot alpha dot alpha, it is I cap minus 3 k cap minus 3 is equal to 0. So beta 2, so this is 1 minus m minus 3 into 2 plus 3m, that should be equal to 0. Minus 6 minus 9m, that is equal to 0. 10m 3 5 10m, that is equal to 10m, that is equal to minus 5. M is equal to minus 1. M is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore beta 1 vector, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into I cap minus 3j cap. So this is equal to, so this is 0. beta 2 dot alpha so here also it is. So the answer is minus 1 by 2 I cap plus 3 by 2 j cap. So here also none of the options are correct. None of the options are correct. Okay, so hope you all have understood the solutions of all these 53 questions, and still any doubts if you have, any steps if you are unable to understand, then please write that in the comments section. Please install our Sapience Education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions on every chapter. It should be helpful for your KCET exam. So thank you everyone.